Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're gonna go into our second lesson of HTML. If you haven't watched Python actually, if you haven't watched the other video, please go check it out. So yeah, in today's video we're gonna learn about some functions, and basically we're gonna go ahead here. And we're gonna be using stuff from last class, like last video, like variables and stuff. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and make a little game, right? So okay, let's go ahead. Let's go user input is equals to input, and we're gonna prompt the user to give an input. So the prompt is gonna be enter two numbers. Enter your first number. Okay. There. Go ahead and go like that. Actually, no. We can actually just put this as print, and then over here we add /n. And then here user input 1, no, A is equals to input nothing, B, no, prints enter your second number, B is equals to input. Here inside your double quotes just do /n, and here you don't need that. So there we go. Now what this will do is it will print the first line here, go down a line, prompt input, and then go print here, and then so on, and then we will have our two variables A and B with the user input, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here, and I'm gonna say function, right? So we're gonna make add function. So to make an add function, as you guys can see, I'm trying to write function. Okay, function, and it won't show up. To make a function, you have to write def, and this means define add, and then we can go a b, and then to make a function here you need to add double quotes, and then here's where you get a bit annoying. It says yeah, basically what you want, indentation is a very important thing. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually use real quick here, return a plus b. Done. If you double enter, it will go out of the function, and you can move on to your next line. So add function. Now you go down here, def sub, which is for subtract. Do the same thing. Return a minus b. Wait, no. Here in subtract, if in subtraction, if your number is greater than the other, then it will go to the negatives, right? So to avoid that, we will go ahead and actually use some logic here. So if A is more than B, go ahead and return A minus B. Else, go ahead here, B minus A. There. So now what this is doing is that first we have a function, we have our parameters, and then we go if A is more than B, then we're going to return A minus B. Else, which means that if this is false, then we'll go down to the else, right? So if this is true, it goes down here. If it goes to false, then it goes down to the else, right? It goes down to the else. And we do b minus a, and then we hop out of this one. Subtract function def div a b. Now to do this, we will just go ahead and do divide. So return a divided by b. That's it. Divide function. Next up, we have divide mul, which means multiply, or is short for multiply. Now what we do here is we go ahead and return a into b. Multiply function. Now we have all of these functions, right? They're cool and all that, but what to do with them? Basically what we're gonna do is how to use them is that we're gonna prompt the user to ask what you want to do. So input, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take input from these. So input, I'm also gonna put this in a variable, so choice is equals to input, and the input's going to take his input, so we're gonna prompt the user going ahead and what do you want to do? Choose between wait a minute, should make this empty. Hold on, X there. Print. I want to choose between /n add /n sub /n div /n mo. Now enter first number 1, 2, what I want to do, and then choose between this. So now we go over here, we have this. Right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and now that we take this input from the user, if choice is equals to add, go ahead and do the add function a b. Oops, now we can gotta take this. Now here we do elif, which is like a else and if statement together. It's like if but mixed with add, so then you do the subtract and then do the same function. If there's that, you go sub, and then you keep on going on until you get to the last one. And here elif, we have 4 functions, so the last one should be an else, and we don't need the choice, we don't need this. Then we need to go ahead and multiply. Here we need to divide, and there we have it. Oops, div. Okay, now what we can do is you can test this out. So my first number is 6, my second number is 2. I want to add these. Now what we can do here is we can actually forget to do this, but return. Oops, what? Return not a function. Oh yeah. Oops. Print. It's supposed to be. Did that work? Divide. Oh yeah, mo. There. Sub. No. Go right. No. Control. No. Wait. This one's subtract. Print. There we go. Now 5, 4, add 54. What? Huh? What? Wait, what? It just adds them together. Wait, no. What about subtract? Nope, okay, unsupported. I am insanely smart, you guys. I am very smart. Oh god, no. No, what are you doing? There. Stop. Okay. So the problem is that we're taking input without turning it into integer. Because this, wait, no, and this should be integer, right? So, because this is a number, this is what we're taking the numbers. int integer. So now inside here we have integers and yep. Now the choice is in string. 5, 2, subtract 3. Let's go. It's 5, 2, add 7. Let's go. Easy. Yeah. Oh, it worked. Okay, so as you guys can see, you have your simple calculator in Python. And yeah, that's it for lesson 39. I hope you guys learned something. Take notes in every lesson, and if you have never watched this, go ahead and watch everything from the beginning, and share and like and subscribe. Yes. See you guys in the next video.